this video, we're going to be replacing the window switch in this Chevy Cruze. To do that, we're going to have to remove the door panel because the bezel is screwed in from the back side. Let's get into it. We're going to take this trim piece off. Just use a trim tool, get behind there. It is just clipped in. There's a cover right here. Just take a trim tool or a pocket screwdriver. Just get behind this cover. There is a little tab where you can release it, and that's just clipped in. And there's a little cover right here. Just get under there with a trim tool or a screwdriver. Just take that off. Now there's a screw right here. Use a T15 socket. Take that screw out. And take this screw out. Use a T15. And slide that out. Now around the perimeter of the door panel, there's push pins. We're just going to use a trim tool. Just pop it off. With it popped off, just take the panel up and slide it out. I'm going to disconnect the cable right here and slide it out. And then you can disconnect the connectors. Just push on the tabs. On this connector, there is a little lock tab, so you want to just use a pick, take that lock tab out, and then push down and slide it out. The switch is located right here. On the other side, you just want to put a little pressure on the switch while we release the little clips right here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver or a pocket screwdriver. Just get under those clips to release that. Then on the back side here, do the same. All right, that's released. Now I'm just going to get on the back. There we go. And it slides right out, just like that. And take the new switch. Just slide it in place. And lock it down. It's all the way in. Now connect the connectors. Make sure you push back that lock tab. Snap it in place. Then take the cable. Line that ball up right there. And it's going to slide through and lock down in place. Just like that. And make sure you have the lock rod go through the hole in the door. Right there. That's good. And with all the pins lined up, you just want to push it back in place. And push all the push pins back in. That's good. Make sure it's tight all the way around. All right, that's good. And put the screws back in. And snug it down. Same with this screw down here. Take the covers, put those back in. Cover that goes here. Line it up and lock it in place. And then this trim piece, the two pins, line those up and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.